दिस वीडियो फॉर द सेकेंड टाइम क्योंकि मैं फर्स्ट टाइम पे माइक ऑन करना भूल गई थी. रश्मि थिंग्स. बट या लेट्स स्टार्ट. हाय गाइज, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rashmi God. If you're new here, I love making beauty and lifestyle content. So yeah, let's get started. My voice is actually a bit ajeeb right now because I went on a trip and I don't know how why. मैं जब भी ट्रिप पे जाती हूँ मेरी आवाज़ ख़राब हो जाती है. सेकेंड थिंग, मानसून्स अभी अभी मुंबई में शुरू हुए हैं तो वो वेदर चेंज के कारण भी कुछ तो दिक्कत हो रही है मेरी आवाज़ में. But I don't think so that would be much of a problem right now because 2 days ago it was worse, but now it's so much better. So yeah, let's get started with the video. Today's video is specially about the product empties that I have for skincare. Actually, I had a bag full of product empties, but I thought मुझे 25 मिनट तक प्रोडक्ट्स पे ही बोलते जाना है. नहीं, I will make two parts of the product empties because I think product empties is something which people are loving right now. So I'll be making one skincare edition and one which has all the other segments and categories जहाँ पे दो parts of product empties होंगे. So this is product empties video 1 which has all the skincare related things. So yeah, let's get started. Starting with the most favorite product. Most favorite. Can you guess it? I think you've already guessed it. It's the Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream for dry to normal and sensitive skin. This is such a great product. I love it so much. I can't even tell you how much I love this product because मैंने इसको विंटर्स में यूज़ करना शुरू किया था. It lasts you for a very long time. So जितने भी प्राइस का है पूरा जस्टिफाइबल है क्योंकि ये बहुत अच्छा है. ये सेंसिटिव स्किन के लिए भी है, ये ऑयली स्किन के लिए भी है, ये कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन के लिए भी है, ये ड्राई स्किन के लिए भी. इट्स वर्किंग फॉर ऑल स्किन टाइप्स बिकॉज ऑल स्किन टाइप पीपल हैव यूज्ड दिस विथ मी एंड वी ऑल लव इट. Too good for the price point, and Cetaphil as a brand is my favorite already. So yeah, you have to try it out. I'll be purchasing this again for sure. Next product is my second most favorite thing in this product empties is the aloe vera gel by Patanjali. This is the aloe vera Saundarya Kesar and Chandan gel, and this is the normal aloe vera gel. I love them both. Honestly, I love them both. I recently got a haircut और मेरे बाल मैंने इतने कुछ कटा लिए थे. It's been more than a month, I guess, and I have been using this product specifically for my hair, and you can see the hair growth that I'm having already. I also use a lot of other products. I mix coconut oil also with this. I mix tea tree oil. I use a lot of other products, but this has been my constant for ages now for my hair growth, and it's been working really well. I do use the pure aloe vera, but this in particular is inexpensive, and also this is available in offline stores very easily, so I keep repurchasing it and stocking up. Travel के लिए भी ये छोटा वाला is very convenient to carry. However, this I keep at home. और बाकी मेरे पास face shop वाला भी है which I keep using, but this is my most favorite and you have to try this out. This is a wonderful aloe vera gel. Next up is sunscreen category particularly, and for sunscreens honestly I have a few product empties, starting with the best and then going to the worst. The best sunscreen, of course, if you have been following me for a long time, you might already know how much I love the Aqualogica sunscreens. Oh my god, this is my favorite sunscreen, one of the favorite sunscreen. Wishcare is now my current favorite. I love it. It's a must buy and a must try. This is so hydrating. Love it totally. The splash of water you feel, the splash of hydration you feel right after using it is too good, and this is good for glowing skin. A must try. Then Joy sunscreen. This is actually थोड़ी thick compared to what we are getting in the market right now. I felt it's very thick, and घर पे लगाने के लिए, winters में लगाने के लिए, राजस्थान में I was using this. That time it was good, but regular में यूज़ करने के लिए मुंबई की ह्यूमिडिटी में it's not good क्योंकि पूरे पसीने में सब मेल्ट हो जाएगा. So I think this could be used if you have a very extremely dry skin, and I also use this as a body sunscreen sometimes and it works great. The next is Lotus sunscreen, which is the worst sunscreen I've ever used. This particular particularly didn't work for me. I'm not saying this won't even work for you. They've actually updated their formula, new packaging और नया उन्होंने अभी recently launch किया. I think that would be great and that might work for you. But this in particular didn't work for me. Texture बदल गया 1 महीने बाद और blend ही नहीं हो रहा था कितना भी कोशिश कर लूँ. So this didn't work for me at all and it felt thick on my skin also. So I won't recommend this one. Next up is a scrub. This biotic scrub. This was my favorite, but now it's not working for me. I don't know what happened. It got expired also actually. But मैंने एक्सपायर के बाद नहीं यूज़ किया है, पहले ही यूज़ किया था. बट दिस डिडंट वर्क फॉर मी. अच्छे से कुछ रिजल्ट्स ही नहीं दिख रहे थे. पहले स्क्रब करने का थोड़ा ग्लो आता था, कुछ तो आता था. अभी यहाँ कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है. आई डोंट नो व्हाई, व्हाट हैपेंड, but this suddenly stopped working for me, so I won't be repurchasing this again. But yeah, however, I am still open to try new physical scrubs. If you have any recommendations, then let me know in the comments below. I have last few products left. Talking about moisturizer category, I've already talked about the Cetaphil, which is my favorite. My second favorite is the Simple Moisturizing Hydration क्रीम. इट्स फॉर 100 आवर हाइड्रेशन. वो तो सेंस नहीं बनाता है मेरे लिए क्योंकि मैं तो 2 बार लगाती हूँ और मैं नेक्स्ट डे फेस वॉश करने के बाद भी वापस लगाती हूँ. 100 घंटों तक मैं एक मॉइस्चराइज़र पे तो नहीं रह सकती. बट या स्टिल इट्स वेरी 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 मॉइस्चराइजिंग. इट इज़ वेरी लाइट वेट. इट्स सो गुड. आई यूज्ड इट द एंटायर समर and it lasted me for the entire summer. It was very good. A must try. I would surely repurchase this again. नेक्स्ट इज़ द मामा अर्थ ओप्टिन ग्लो क्रीम. सो ये मैंने मामा अर्थ का वो फेशियल किट आता है ना, उसमें ये क्रीम था एज द स्टेप 6. इट्स रिटन योर एक्चुअली इज द स्टेप 6. दिस इज सच अ ग्रेट क्रीम. आई लव्ड इट. मैंने वो किट तो एक ही बार यूज़ किया. इसको मैंने अपने हैंड बैग में डाल लिया था तो यूज़ इट रेगुलरली बिकॉज दिस वॉज सो गुड. टोटली वर्थ ट्राइंग. Such a great product. But I think Mamaearth you should launch this separately क्योंकि ये बहुत ही अच्छा moisturizer है. Mamaearth, if you're listening to me, please launch this. Last 2 products of the product empties. First is this Rosehip Radiant Glow Face Serum. This is a facial oil. Actually it's a face serum but it's very thick in consistency, but I love it. This is so good if you want glowing skin. If you have a very very dull skin, this is something that you have to try because I love it. Totally recommend it. I already have a backup of this but I don't use it during monsoons or summers. monsoon में भी थोड़ी ठंड रहे तब मैं यूज़ कर लेती हूँ but summer में तो बिल्कुल नहीं क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा मुझे थिक फील होता है specifically for my skin. But you can give it a try. It's very good. Winters में तो पक्का इसको यूज़ करो. Lastly, this hyaluronic acid serum from Nykaa SkinRx. I love it. This is a very good serum but I think कुछ मुझे साइड इफ़ेक्ट नहीं हुआ इससे बट मुझे कुछ एक्सट्रीम चेंज भी नहीं लगा मेरे फेस में. सीरम्स एक्चुअली कुछ करने चाहिए ऐसा मुझे लगता है बट हाइड्रेशन प्रोवाइड करने का जो था दैट इट सर्व्ड वेरी वेल. बट रिवाइव्स डल स्किन इज समथिंग दैट didn't work on. I have a very dull skin. Even now my skin looks very dull but can't help it. This actually didn't work for dull skin but the hydration boost that I wanted was provided from this serum and I really like it. A must try for beginners जिनको अभी भी शुरू करने serums use करने can use this. And yeah, that's it for the entire skincare product empties haul. Stay tuned because I am going to come up with another product empties part 2. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. Press the bell icon so that whenever the video comes, you are being notified. And yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Follow me on my Instagram. Subscribe to this channel. And yeah, see you next time.